Well, guys, as you already know that we have to commence our theory session now. So, miss, before starting our today's theory session, I want to recap that what is being taught in this batch and what was taught yesterday. You already know, guys, that what was taught yesterday. The skill which was taught yesterday, that was super important, and that is called the art of English spoken. I mean, English communication skill. Yes, how to do conversation. Okay, that was taught yesterday. You know, I want to repeat that the thing which was taught yesterday, because as far as I see right now in this batch, there were some students of you who were just absent yesterday. So for their kind knowledge, I would like to tell that yesterday we started studying about how to do the conversation. What do you mean of conversation? Yesterday was explained in better way. You know, conversation skill means, you already know that conversation is occurred between two people. Okay, conversation is a vehicle to express your ideas. Yes, when you share your mutual experience each other, that is called conversation. Okay, in conversation skills, you know that there are several dimensions which fall in that category, and that is paramount, that is significant, that is essential in terms of learning how to ask someone's opinion, how to give your opinions, how can you agree, how can you disagree. There are several things which you have to learn out in conversation skills. You know, one of them, I mean, yes, how will you give your opinion, how will you express your opinion, yes, is going to be taught today. And yesterday the thing was taught, that was how will you ask someone's opinion. You know, this is the first and foremost thing whenever you have to have discussions on any topic. Yes, whichever topic, that doesn't matter at all. Yes, but yes, you will have to ask someone's opinion. Yes, then miss, that's how a conversation is acute. Hope you would be grasping me. Hope you would be understanding. Hope you would be just getting that the sense which I'm trying to make here. Yes. So look, guys. So let's start now. Yes, you already know that. Yes, the thing which you have to learn today, that is how to express your opinion. Okay, how to express your opinion. As I was telling you earlier that when conversation takes place between two people, then there will be a topic. Suppose the topic of you is, yes, which language should be official language of our country, Hindi language or English language. This is the topic on which you have to argue with somebody. Okay, how will you initiate? Yes, how will you initiate? How will you commence? Yes, you know, firstly you will ask that person's opinion. Mr. Rahul, suppose there are two people, Rahul and Azad. Okay, and a conversation has to be occurred between two people. Okay, yes, this is the situation which I am telling you. Okay, those persons, means I am talking about Rahul and Akash. These people will have discussions on any topic. The topic of means that conversation is which language should be official language of our country, Hindi or English language. Okay, then how will they start having argument on that topic? How question is this? You know, Rahul is one of them. Anybody, that person might be Rahul, that person might be Akash. Anybody will ask, yes, that person's opinion. How will you say? Yes, he will use those expressions which was taught yesterday. I think those expressions, those phrases were more than 10. No? Yes. Those were like, what's your take on? Yes, what do you reckon? How do you see? What's your opinion? Yes, there were so many phrases. Can can be applied in that situation when you have to just know someone's opinion. Yes, guys?
Yes.
Are you getting or not? Mr.
Getting.
Prince, are you interpreting me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Tawfiq? Are you getting? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So, means that phrases, those phrases will help you to ask someone's opinion. Let's suppose that somebody has used any one of the expressions from that. Suppose he has used what's your take on about English language and Hindi language. What do you think? Which language will be official language of our country? Hindi language or English language? It means that he is asking to give you opinions, to put your opinions, to keep your opinions. That where do you stand about that topic, regarding that topic? Then you will have to tell. Look, the moment you have to open your mouth, then you have to use one of them. You have to use one of them. Here there are a number of expressions. Okay, several expressions have been written by me. Yes, okay. This expression would be applied to give the answer. What kind of answer? Yes, it will help you to give. Yes, it will help you to give the answer when anybody asks your opinion. When you have to give your opinion, then you will use one of these. Okay? You will use one of these. Look. Here, there are three expressions have been written by me. I think, I believe, I feel. Yes? But just before them, in front of them, I have made X. Are you getting that? Why have I made X just in front of them? Because these are such expression which is overused, which has been much used by the people. Okay, this, if you use this expression as well, then your English is not going to develop. You are not going to upgrade. You are not going to give another chance. You are not going to make your English to the advanced level. Okay, this sounds really boring. It sounds really traditional. It sounds ridiculous. It sounds school type English. Okay, if you want to speak English like a smart people, like a professional, if you want to sound like an intellectual, if you want to sound like an expert, okay, then I would highly recommend you to use any one of them. Which one are those? Let's see. Yes, the first one is, the first expression which I have in my list for is, that is to me. Now you might ask me, sir, what does mean of this to me? Because I know most of you students of this batch has come from Hindi medium schools. Okay, they haven't been in the habit of speaking and using and listening such expressions. Whatever they learn, they just learn the Hindi of that expression as well. Look, all these expressions whichever you are looking at here, all these mean just like I think. Okay? Yes? Let's understand the situation. Don't try to mug up don't try to by heart the Hindi of any expression in English language. Hindi means any language, specifically English language, is spoken with situation, not with Hindi meaning. Okay, what is the situation of using this expression? This is key. Means when you have to express your opinion, when you have to put up your opinion about any topic. Yes? Okay, whenever you have to express your opinion in English language, then the first sentence, the first expression that should be come out from your mouth, that would be any one of them. I don't say that you can't use these expressions as well. Absolutely you can. But if you use, then your English is not going to be improved. Got it? It sounds really boring. So I would ask you, better if you have to express your opinion, then use any one of them. Okay? Please let me tell that which all are those expressions. You already know the first one is to me. What is that? To me. To me. Next one is to my mind. To my mind. To my mind. Okay? Yes? Let's move to the next one. That is, if you ask me, then I would say that. If you ask me, then I would say that. And the next one is, it seems to me that. It seems to me that. Okay? And this one is from my point of view. From my point of view. Okay? And to be honest, from my perspective, from my point of view, yes, the next one which I have in my pocket for you is, that is from my viewpoint. From my viewpoint. Yes, the next one is in my honest opinion. Okay, and as far as I'm concerned, last but not least is the way I see it. Yes, the way I see it. Yes, these are the expressions which you have to apply in order to express your opinion. Okay, yes, it can't be described, it can't be told in the words that how significant this session is for you, and this how immensely this will help you in order to express your opinion. Okay, so whenever you have to participate in group discussion, debate, campus debate, or you are delivering a presentation anywhere, then these things are going to work profusely. Okay, let me convince you, let me elaborate once again with situation. Okay, suppose there is a topic of you like what is more important in a woman, her beauty or her intelligence. This is the topic on which you people have to do discussion. Okay, yes, then how will you initiate? How will you start? Yes, first is any one of them, means any one of you will ask the question, so Mr. Satyam Sahab, where do you stand on what is more important in a woman, her beauty or her intelligence? It means that person is asking to know your opinion, to express your opinions about that very thing. Okay. Then means after that, what will you do? क्या करोगे आप? Yes, sorry, I spoke. Okay, just are you getting? What will you do? Yes, you will use any one of them. Then you will give your opinions. In addition to speaking, even if when you prepare, when you appear in the exam of like a TOEFL, yes, in that exams, you will use this one. If you use this one, then you will get good marks. Okay. So well guys, if you have any concern regarding this topic, then you can tell me. I'll make you understand once again. Hope you will be getting. Okay. You must be getting that how to use and where to use.